I have 6 minutes to record this and it is super echoey in here, but hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a quick, very quick, empty apartment tour because we just got the keys to our new place and it's empty and I wanted to just do a really quick walkthrough and it took forever to get here, so I have like 5 minutes before a meeting, so I'm going to do this as quick as possible. So when you first walk in, we have a spare closet here just like before. This is the AC unit. Come through this way is like our entry hall. This will be our bedroom because it is nice and dark and furthest from the kitchen and the other areas, and it has a very large walk-in closet that thankfully does have a light in here, which I was wondering. So yeah, there is a light in here, which is nice. So yeah, this is the bedroom. Come out this way and we have the kitchen, a living room area, nice and large. And we have a little Juliet balcony, which will be nice. And there's our old apartment right there in the window. But that'll be awesome. It needs to be potentially cleaned down there on the floor, but I was thinking about putting plants there. Then we have big windows here, and then our second bedroom, which is awesome. So we have this whole separate second room in here with a nice big sliding closet, which will be awesome. So that is the space. We have the island in the center with space for bar stools. We have our washer dryer here. And then the bathroom in here, which is pretty much identical to what we have. I mean, most of the apartment looks very identical to what we already have. Turning on the AC, but yeah, we have same size fridge it looks like. Yep, same size fridge. We have this whole extra little area back here, which is awesome in the kitchen with like 2 extra cabinets than what we had before. So a little bit extra cabinet space. It looks like the sink is the same size. I thought it might be smaller, but it's the same size. We have a larger dishwasher too, which is awesome because I always fill the dishwasher so quick. And it looks like we have lights over here in this little area as well, which is nice, as well as lights here. And this is the space from the window area. So that is what we're working with. Definitely much bigger than what we had before. So I'm really, really excited to start bringing stuff in here. But sadly, I have a meeting now and then I have an hour and a half worth of meetings. Sorry, the AC is kicking on, but I have about an hour and a half worth of meetings and I will sadly not be able to start moving. I guess Oliver will start moving stuff while I do my work meetings, but this space feels really bright and open and I'm super, super happy about it. So I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like once we move everything in. But one more thing I want to show you that's really interesting about this space is in the hallway here to the bedroom, there is a window, which is so interesting. And it's supposed to help bring light into the bedroom, but it honestly really doesn't do much for it. That's really just because of the closet light. But there is blinds up here for this window, which is really, really weird. But it's nice because you can close those blinds if there is light, and hopefully it'll block out all light during the day if Oliver's trying to sleep. But yeah, it's gonna be great, I think. I really like this little nook in the closet. Like there's this little space right here and we could put maybe a small little table here or like the laundry baskets maybe there. That would be nice. But again, we always have this stupid thing in our bedroom, but at least it's behind the door this time. So that's good. But yeah, I think that's it and I think I have to go. But the space definitely feels a lot bigger than the last space. But I will check back in with you guys in about like an hour once I'm done with my meetings. Actually an hour and a half, I have 3 meetings, but yeah, see you then. Just got food delivered because I was so hungry and everything is just a disaster in here right now. As usual, every time I move, it's just all a disaster. Use that. Hi, Bubba. Okay, we're done officially. We just finished taking everything out of the old place and bringing it all in here, and now everything in here is a mess again. I had cleaned it all up last night because we had stuff everywhere, and the kitchen looks pretty good still. It doesn't look bad. It's really just this stuff, which hopefully I can fit in that closet and then in this armoire. And then, yeah, I don't know if you guys saw this, but I put this bed in here, and this is like the guest room / Oliver's office area, which is nice. And then we're gonna use this closet hopefully as a spare closet for like cleaning supplies, all that stuff. And then if you come over here, we have the entry hall all cleared out pretty much now, but the bedroom right now is a straight disaster. And the closet is a pretty big mess too. So I think I'm gonna tackle the guest room first, just because Kaylee needs to sleep in there. And you know, you should always care about your guests first. So I'm probably gonna do that. It's 2:30 and she's gonna be here at 4. So we have like an hour and a half to hopefully get all of this stuff put away, and then at least like half organize the closet so we can like go to sleep tonight and have everything off the bed. So that is the plan, and I'm gonna get working on this and hopefully tackle it pretty quick.